Hello, this is Sandra Hart of Life Over 60. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to get this look. It's a very simple daytime look. It's a French girl chic, but in a mature way, where you can go out during the day and look natural, but wear a nice bold lip. What is it about French women? In each country, there's an idea of what beauty is, but for the French, it's very particular. They want to be themselves, not a better version of themselves. They want to look naturally, perfectly imperfect, all without trying too hard. Smoky eye, a hair a little messy, light makeup, a natural lip, or maybe a very bold red lip. Hello, this is Sandra Hart. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Life Over 60 with Sandra. Today, I am going to do a mature, very simple, very clean French girl look for the mature woman. And this is how you can go out during the day and feel natural and casual and yet wear a bright, bold lip. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly what I did to get this great look. French women always say to start with a good canvas. Take care of your skin. If you take care of your skin, you can really get away with wearing light makeup because it looks so natural because the canvas underneath is good. I am applying a primer right now, and don't forget, everything is in moderation if you want that soft French girl look. And don't be afraid to say yes to red lips when you're finished, or even a natural lip, but don't be afraid to say yes to a red lip. Now I'm applying a BB cream. It doesn't make any difference which BB cream you use. If you found one that you like and goes well with your skin and protects you from the sun, use that. But be sure that it is the same color as your skin. You don't want one that's too dark or too light because then you lose the natural effect. I just happen to be using a BB cream by Revlon that I like. It goes on very smoothly, has a good SPF in it, and I can match it pretty closely to my natural skin tone. You always should wear sunscreen when you go out, as you know. All right, now I am almost finished applying my foundation, and as you know, I always go up with my foundation. I never, ever pull my skin down because nature is doing that for me already. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting a little bit of concealer under my eyes. I do have a tiny bit of darkness on the inner eye. I guess that's natural as you get older. That, I think, probably comes naturally anyway, but I have it, so I have to put concealer. And the French, what they do, they take something and they multi-purpose it. I'm putting a little bit of concealer on my brow bone. So I'm multi-purposing my concealer. And now I'm putting on a little bit of shadow from the palette, and that's the Revolution palette that I have. And I am just going to be applying that. Then I am going to be taking my Chanel and putting just a little bit of the Chanel on top of that. But I'm not going to be really heavy. I'm not going to give myself a really dark eye. You know, I only brought so many things with me here to Nashville, so I don't have a lot of makeup. Now I'm going to do my brows to give them just a tiny little bit. I do dye my brows, so they already have color, but I'll just do this a little bit. Then I'll take my brush after that, and here I am multi-purposing again. I'm taking the darker brow pencil and doing a little bit in my crease, so I'm multi-purposing and using that. I don't always do that because I don't have a darker shadow for the crease here. I can do that. But the French are very, very famous for multi-purposing. They will put lipstick on their cheeks. They'll do their lips and then put a little dot of lipstick on their cheeks and blend it in. And I do that myself sometimes. Now I'm just doing my eyelashes very lightly with the Princess lash that I like very much. You know, it's fun getting away from home for a while, but when I came, I don't have a whole lot of things that I brought with me. I try to travel light, and I can't put a lot into my luggage, so I just brought the basic things that I know that I'll be using and that I will love down here in Nashville. And now I'm going to multi-purpose again. I'm going to take a little bit of the palette that I have that has the pink in it, and I'm going to use that as blush. So I'm just going to smooth it up a bit, and I try to go up into my temple. I put it on the apple, not on the apple of my cheek. I put it away from the apple of my cheek and then up a little bit. And this is an Avon glimmer stick. It's actually just a glow stick, and it just gives me a little bit of shine on the tight parts of my face, on my forehead and on my cheekbones. And now for the L'Occitane lipstick. I love these L'Occitane. I brought all the L'Occitane lipsticks with me because I like the shades, and they make my lips feel so soft and smooth. I really like them. They don't last a long time, but I like the colors, and it really, at this point, doesn't matter too much for me. And I'm just giving myself a little bit more color in my cheeks. And there we go. I've multi-purposed and made do with what I have, and now I'm going to kind of wash my hair, and I'm going to kind of fluff it up and make it look casual. And just don't make it, I'm making it so that it doesn't look like I just came from the salon. So I have a very casual and perhaps windblown look, just so that I complete the whole thing. And there we go. You see, it only took me a few minutes, very light, not a lot of heavy makeup, but it shows that you can wear red lips. And I'm not always used to wearing red lipstick, but I've done it, and it just took a few minutes, and you can do it too. So there we have it, a very quick and easy light makeup with a bold daytime lip, kind of like you would see walking down in Paris, anywhere in France where they have beautiful women who like to be who they are with the least effort possible, and always hair that doesn't look too styled, and everything looks kind of natural. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'd love to have you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And don't forget to be kind to yourself, be good to someone who crosses your path, and don't forget to share the love. Take care, and I hope to see you in my next video.